how to use Clearpay on Amazon. Today we're going to talk about how you can use Clearpay to shop on Amazon. Yes, you heard that right. You can now use Clearpay, the popular buy now pay later service, to break your Amazon purchases into easy interest-free payments. Before we jump into how to use it on Amazon, let's quickly go over what Clearpay is, in case you're not familiar. Clearpay allows you to shop and split your payments into 4 equal installments with no interest, as long as you pay on time. It's super convenient if you're shopping online and want to spread out your payments over time. Clearpay is similar to other buy now pay later services like Afterpay or Klarna, but it's now available to use at select retailers including Amazon. Alright, so how do we use Clearpay on Amazon? First, we need to make sure Clearpay is available as a payment method for your purchase. Start by browsing Amazon and adding the items you want on your cart. Start browsing and adding the items you want to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, go to your cart and proceed to the payment section. At the checkout screen, look for Continue Shopping or simply look for Clearpay in the payment options. If it's available for your items, you'll see it listed as one of the payment methods. Keep in mind that Clearpay is only available for certain items and in certain regions, so you might not always see it as an option. Once you confirm that Clearpay is available, just select it as a payment method. Then you'll be prompted to log into your Clearpay account or create one if you don't already have one. So, how does Clearpay work once you've chosen it as a payment method? When you use Clearpay, your total purchase is split into 4 equal payments, which are automatically charged to your linked debit or credit card every 2 weeks. Once you confirm your payment plan, Clearpay will process your first payment right away, and the remaining 3 payments will be scheduled for the next 6 weeks. And that's it. Now you know how to use Clearpay on Amazon for a simple, interest-free shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.